I want to show you something I have been absolutely loving, this Vegs Lemon Juice Powder. It's basically fresh lemon juice in a convenient powdered form. You can use it for water, teas, smoothies, salad dressings, marinades, even baked goods. It adds that perfect lemony zing without having to squeeze fresh lemons every time. And as a lemon water lover, this product is priceless to me when I'm on the go. It's also amazing for DIY skincare routines to help your skin stay glowing and fresh. Plus, it's travel friendly, so it's super easy to use anytime, anywhere. But what I really love is that it's sugar-free, it's vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO. There's no artificial flavors or additives, no common allergens, just one pure ingredient, real lemon juice. It's loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants which help boost your immune system, support digestion, and even give your skin a natural glow. So if you want that refreshing lemon flavor plus all the health benefits without the hassle, definitely check this one out. It is a must-have kitchen staple.